and the fatty's eating.
So
It's called Fatty Patty.
Oh my god, I really can't believe that Echo just had puppies. Well, not just, but like a few hours ago.
Where are you going to?
Just leave her. She wants to be warm. Dig her face in there. I want 6 puppies. So if this is it, then that means you won. You didn't look at the numbers.
Looks so cute. That goes a mama. I think she's gonna be a great mom.
She is.
I know.
A little cleaner.
Yeah.
I gave her those treats she ate them immediately.
I wish this was 101 Dalmatians.
The boy. She's clean the boy.
She's trying to get the rest of the umbilical cord off. Okay, probably.
She does have that instinct.
Yes. What? Okay, because I gave it to him.
Ooh.
Then do the creeper turnaround like this looking at me.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That one is just a little fatty.
I wish I was here for it.
That one is a boy. And that one didn't even run. They're adorable!